After you select your preferred shape, it is going to take you to the cover. We can see my books. If you click on this one, it is going to take you to the library, and we're now able to look at our first creation. And I will go back to explain these options right here, but for now let's go ahead and look at all the things that you can do to edit your book. Next to my books we have pages. If I click on this, I see that the program gives me automatically 3 pages. If I select any of these pages, it is going to take me directly to that page. So I see that I'm right now in page 3 out of 3. If I move to the sides, page 2, and then we have the cover, we have the undo button, but in this case it's not available because we haven't done anything to the cover yet. We have the tools to make our cover or to design our cover. I will go back to this one. Let me show you just the other options too. We also can select for the background a solid color, and in here we can see maybe the recent ones. If I click on this one and I prefer a comic background, it is going to change it to that background. Or maybe a type of paper, kind of like a notebook. We can give it borders, any type of pattern, or we can give also textures, different textures. In this case I'm going to leave this one. And we also have this. If you add audio to your book, which I will show you right now how to do, you will click on the play button or read to me. But let's continue editing. We have now the plus sign. In this one, you're able to import images, maps from Google Maps, any document that you have from your computer, files from Google Drive. You can connect your Google Drive account, and you can embed videos from YouTube, from Flipgrid, or maybe documents for Excel, depending on what you need the book for. But let's say that I want to add an image of a tree. It is going to upload all of these options, and if I select this one and click on add, it is going to add it to my cover, and I can change the size and place the image wherever I want to. I'm able to add with the camera a picture of myself or record a video, but we will have to grant access to the camera and microphone of our computers. Pens are also available. You get to select the size and the color and the type of stroke that you're going to use for your drawing. If you make a mistake, you're able to erase it. You're able to select emojis. And place the emojis. And use ink to change the colors, but we don't want to keep it like that, so we're going to undo. And let's say that I want to have my book cover like this. Now let's add a title. So I'm going to go to text, and I'm going to write my book about trees. You can make the letters bigger or smaller. You can add a link or web address related to your topic, and you can save it. And you can also read the title of your book. You can record it. My book trees. In this case, it will be kind of like an accommodation. If the students do not know how to write yet, they are able to speak through the microphone and it will write their words. So here we have our title. And in here, now that we have written, we're able to change the color of our font, the style. Maybe we want to make it a little bit bigger so that we can see it. The background of our title. If we want to have columns or just one. If we want to have a shadow in the background of our title, and it selects where we want to place the title. You're able to lock the images, not only the title. If you don't want it to move, it's now locked, so you're not able to move it from there. If you want to change it, you go back to the information or the title and click on unlock. And also the size of your font. There we go. And that is how you make the cover of your book.